welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Your Girl. Okay, episode 2, we are going to do kale chips. Okay, I just want to make a disclaimer, this is a snack. Okay, this is not no meal. Kale chips is not a meal. Don't try to eat kale chips for lunch and then feel like you're not going to be hungry in like 2 minutes. Girl, you need to eat a meal. Okay, so don't get mad at me if you eating kale chips for lunch and you think that's the whole meal, girl. It's a snack. Okay, a snack. If you want something to crunch on, this is what you get. It's not no meal. Okay? Okay, cool. So, we are going to start with the kale, of course. Alright, I don't know how much kale this is, girl. I told y'all in episode 1, I eyeball everything, so get you some kale. However much that is to you. Okay, you're gonna need a little red bowl, or whatever type of color bowl you have to put the kale in after you're done tearing it up. We're gonna need a colander. We're gonna need a colander. So we're gonna wash the kale and stuff like that. Okay, and then we also gonna need a baking tray with some aluminum foil. Okay, hold on, I forgot the rest of the ingredients. You're also gonna need some chili powder. And you're gonna need some olive oil. This is an olive oil spray. Got one of these, like a little spritz of that on top of it. I'll show you that later. But like a tablespoon of olive oil is pretty much what you're gonna need, girl. So let me drop y'all down so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash this kale real quick. You just wanna make sure you get all of the dirt. There's usually dirt in the middle by the stems. So you just wanna kind of rinse that off so you don't have any dirt in your kale chips. And I'll be right back after I rinse these off. Okay, after we're done with rinsing our kale off, we're gonna go ahead and just break it up like this, into pieces like this, or even half of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to all of the kale. You wanna work around the stem like this. You don't wanna get the stem is too hard. It's gonna mess up all your teeth, girl. It's not worth it. So just get them leaves like that. Just peel down and then kind of make little medium-sized pieces. So I'm gonna speed this up because I know y'all don't want to see me do this in real time. You know, that's gonna take too long. So, I'm gonna be back. Done ripping everything apart, you're gonna go ahead and and a paper towel. Hold on. You're gonna go ahead and get your roll of paper towels. Get you one, or get you two. Get two. Okay, get 2 sheets of paper towels and just go ahead and just dry the kale off. You're doing this because you want them to be like chips, right? So you don't want no water in there. You don't want no wet chip because that's nasty, right? Okay, so go ahead and get your paper towel and try to take most of the water off. If you can't take all the water off, girl, you're not God. You're not gonna be able to take all this water off. Don't even worry about it. Just do the best you can, you know? That's all you can do. Okay. So now we done taking most of the water off. I'm gonna go ahead and do maybe a teaspoon of oil in here. So this is pretty much like 1 spray. Okay, so that's it. That's enough. Don't put too much oil, make them chips too greasy, okay? Then you're gonna take you some chili powder. Look, this is how I measure. Look, 1 shake, 2 shake, 3 shake, 4 shake, 5 shake, 6 shake, 7 shake. I like chili powder. If you don't like chili powder, girl, put some other seasoning on there, okay? Alright. So take your hand and then put it in there and just mix it around. And that's pretty much the basics of how to make kale chips. If you want to put some salt on there, put some salt on there. I like the taste of the kale chips, so it doesn't bother me if there's no salt. I just like a little oil and chili powder, and that works for me. Okay, just don't put too much water on there, like I said, because it's gonna be a soggy chip, and then you don't want no soggy chips. Okay. All right. Don't forget to preheat your oven on 380 degrees. We're gonna cook them on 380 degrees for girl, I always be eyeballing everything. Let me see. You'll cook them for about 10 minutes. That could be a whole lot, but I'm about to tell y'all how long it is. Hold on. After you're done spreading the seasoning on there, get you a baking pan with some aluminum foil on it, right? Okay, go ahead and pour it on there, and you just want to spread them out because you don't want the chips crowding on top of each other, right? Because then it's not going to cook right. Okay? Okay? When your oven is heated on 380 degrees, you're going to go ahead and put these in there, and I'm going to bring y'all in the oven so y'all can see. So the oven is on 380. I got the oven open for y'all. Okay, we're gonna put these in here. Bye. See y'all later. Okay. Okay, girl, bye. Okay, it's been about 6 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and check up on them and see what they're doing in there. We just want to kind of see what they've been up to, you know. Check if they burn and move them around. They already feel like they're almost done. You don't want to be mean to them or nothing. You want to, you know, you want to just kind of talk to them nice. What y'all been doing? Nothing? Okay. Y'all done? Okay, they say they're not done yet. They said they need about maybe like a minute more. That's it, probably. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give them like maybe even 30 seconds more, and that's pretty much it. So I would say about 7 minutes will be okay. Y'all want another minute? All right, girl, I'm gonna come see y'all in a minute. All right, bye. It's been about 30 seconds. They say they done. They want to get out. It's too hot. About 7 minutes is how long it took them, and you can see. I don't know if y'all can tell, but see, look, you hear that sound? Crispy, crunchity. Goodness. Yeah. Crunchy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna fix a mango with this because I like to eat kale chips and a mango for like a snack, and I will be right back. Let me tell y'all something. These mangoes are so good. I don't know what type of mango it is. I mean, I'm used to eating the red ones, the red and green ones basically, but this one is like orange or yellow, and it's so good. So if you know what kind of mango, what type of mango this is, let me know, because these are my new favorite ones. Alright guys, we are back. We got the kale chips here. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see how good that is? Watch. You gotta hear that crunch, watch. You hear that crunch? Oh. Got some mango. I got my sparkling water. This is really good. Arizona sparkling water. Really good. So yeah. This is my meal, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like these kale chips. Like I said, don't be trying to just eat kale chips for lunch when you're at work, girl, and then you wonder why you can't function the rest of the work day. You need to eat your meal with it. Go eat you a vegan meal, and then this is for like 3 or 4 o'clock when you're about to get off of work and you want something to snack on. Make this the night before, put that in a Ziploc bag, put that in your purse, and then whip these out, cut you some mango, bring you a sparkling water, and then kind of like eat this at your desk or whatever. That's what you do. Okay? Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, not subscribe, all the other good stuff. You know what to do. And I will see y'all in the next video coming up real soon.